How to remove silent mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all you need to locate the silent switch on the side of your phone. Flip this switch down. When you do this, you will see a brief on-screen notification that shows silent. Again, flip the switch up, and now, you will see an on-screen notification that shows ring. Now, open up the Settings application and scroll to find and tap Sounds and Haptics. This section allows you to manage your phone sound and vibration settings. Here, under the Ringtone and Alerts volume section, simply drag the slider at the top. Alternatively, you can also manage your phone silent mode from the control center. Go to the top right corner and swipe down on the screen. From here, tap on the focus button and turn off Do Not Disturb by tapping on it as shown. Following these steps, you can easily remove silent mode on an iPhone.